Right with you.
U1, 1014 Adam requests SWAT respond code 2 to CP at 796 Newbury Street. Barricaded suspect situation.
Drop that weapon!
You ain't shit!
Drop it!
Nah.
You point that at me like
Put
your hand gun! Fuck! Drop it!
LSPD, don't
Drop
move!
the fucking gun!
First.
Drop the weapon! Drop it or I'll kill
Hey,
you!
I'm done.
Show me the palm of your hand. Raise your hands. I'm with the federal government. Let me see those hands. Get down on the ground. Federal agents, get down. Hey, you get on the ground. Put your hands up and get. Let me see those hands. Have your hands. Gold team.
Stay calm.
I'll get you out of here.
Over here! Help us!
Sage,
Ready to go.
do not move. Civilian ready for transport.
Copy, subject secure, 1400.
Push away.
All right, we're heading to the exit. Exit now. Talk, be advised, we have one civilian under our custody at this time. Put it down!
Eat shit and
Drop the
fucking
gun!
die!
Don't!
We're at it!
He didn't have anything.
I need you on the ground now!
Do this to me.
Leave.
All right, let's go to the exit.
Down.
Copy, I'll stage
Don't worry.
EMS
We're
nearby.
Get you out of here. Cuff
Going
ready.
into cuff.
Got it back. Evidence secured. Securing.
Keep looking. How did they fuck it up so badly? I'll get the wife. You deal with the kids.
All right, we're gonna shake them up
Get
a
into
bit. I want
position.
C2 on that door and flash.
Deployed and ready. Let's blow it. I'll do it.
Put it down!
My hands are already
Okay.
Suspect here. Medical
Fire!
You're in my way, sir.
You're under arrest at this
Nothing
time.
ready.
You will have federal and state charges brought up against you.
Coming into hands. Element to top. Suspect in back.
Party.
Ready for
Good to go.
transport.
2359.
Suspect ready to go.
Entry to the top.
Suspect
Fuck do you think you're
10-4, suspect in Leo custody. 113. Got him.
Fall in and form a diamond.
Right with you.
You assholes.
Put your hands up and get down slow!
Federal agents, get down now!
LSPD, don't move!
All right, we're heading to the exit. Let's go.
Fucked up big time.
Is this a raid?
Contact down!
There's a
Get on the
fucking
ground!
kid
Get
here!
Federal agents, get down!
No,
Put your
whatever
hands
you
above
need.
your head!
Put
Hands up! All right, let's go to the exit. Come on, we're getting out of here.
Do this to me! Please, no, I need this!
Put your hands up now!
Or else what? You gonna shoot me?
Suspect down. I'll stage EMS near your location.
I'm not one of the shooters!
Shut the gun! Drop it now!
Hands up!
Federal agents, get down now!
Down,
Drop the
down.
gun!
Damn it!
Do not reach for anything! Hands up! Do it now! Get those hands high and get on the ground!
You think I'm stupid? Police, don't move!
Wait.
No way!
Get down on the ground! Show me the palm of your hand!
All
Don't
right?
move.
PD can go to
All right,
hell.
let's head to the exit.
Cops.
Secured. Moving into handcuff.
Come on, we're getting out of here. Raise your hands! I'm with
Or
the
else
federal
what?
government!
You gonna shoot me?
Let me see those hands! Let me see those hands! Get down! Federal agents, get down! Hey, you get on the ground! Put your hands up and let me see those hands! I need you on the ground now!
I didn't do anything.
Alright, we're heading to the exit. Let's go. Exit, now. Talk, we have one civilian restrained at this. Federal agents, get down
Copy, Leo
now!
has one in custody, 115 in Mullers. Let me know if you need a transport.
Fuck off! Try harder, asshole! Fuck, I'm doing it!
Turn around, don't reach for anything. Talk, we have one suspect apprehended.
Hardy in custody. 2359.
Jumping.
Where are you going? Pussy!
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Another episode of your favorite
You're in the spot. Got him.
truth.
Need you to move.
Now, the last time we talked,
Cuffs are on.
the Monarch butterfly.
Hey, come here! I want to talk to you!
Alright, let's go to the exit.
10-4, 0530.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get the
Federal
fuck away
agents,
from
get down on the ground!
No, get away from me.
Put your hands above your head!
Don't fucking
Hands up!
touch me, okay?
Hands! Hands!
Don't hey, we're over here.
I'll get him
No.
Alright,
right.
let's head to the exit.
You're safe now. Civilian ready to go.
Get out of here! Come out now! Get you are! Getting down!
Come out now!
Throw down!
Dead body!
We both know I'm
I
not
can
going
fucking
in.
see you! Come out now! We're with the government! Come out now!
Get out of there now! No way!
Cuffing.
Come on and get
Stay
down!
still and good to go.
Talk to the guys, we have a dead suspect. Talk, we have a down suspect. Start medical now.
Suspect down. I'll stage EMS near your
Drop the
location.
gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Zipped up.
Turn around, keep your hands up.
Drop it!
Talk, be advised, we have a suspect killed. Talk, we have
I'll
one
get him
times
now.
dead suspect.
10-4, copy.
I'll get him
Come
ready.
on, we're getting out of here.
Secured. In the way, Chief.
Entry accident 14th and York.
Got it back. Good to go. Securing. Need you to slide over. Evidence good to go.
Evidence
I'm all zipped up.
Go.
Hold tight, federal marshals are gonna be coming in to take you.
You asshole.
Tuck. One in custody.
10-4-1 detained, 0945.
I don't have to.
Come out of there now!
Hands
My
up!
hands are up. Don't.
Come out now!
Talk, be advised, we've
You
secured
gonna
one.
shoot me?
Federal agents, get down
I'm
now!
going
Do
anywhere.
not reach for anything!
Okay.
Hands up, do it now! Alright, we're heading to the exit, let's go.
I'm just a kid.
Exit, now!
Is Jamie gonna be okay?
Civilian, good to go.
Copy,
about her
subject
dad?
secured,
Get those
1400.
hands high and get on the ground! Get down on the ground! Show me the
Get
palm
me
of your
away
hands!
from
I got
here.
it. This is the procedure.
Drop that weapon now!
Hey,
Civilian
Drop
secure.
it! Drop it!
Civilian secure.
One in
Civilian is
police
good to go.
custody,
Compliant.
2307.
Turn around! Restrain him.
Got him.
Don't make any sudden...
Just let me go, okay?
Element, talk. One in custody.
Copy 1 in custody, 1853.
I'm not
Let me
in
know
trouble,
if you need
right?
a transport.
I can go?